My name is Sonidhir Vishal Kumar.
Hi, my name is Muri Aryan Naresh Bhai.
Hi, my name is Thakur Narendra.
Kumar. I am from Mandal. I am 16 years old. I go to SK Computer and Education Academy in Main Bazar Mandal. My father's name is Vishal Bhai and he is businessman. My mother's name is Hetal Ben and she is housewife. I like to play volleyball, cricket and watching movie etc. My favorite color is blue and I want to become a CA.
Bhai. I am from Inchwada. I am 16 years old. My father's name is Naresh Bhai and he is farmer. My mother's name is Varshaben and she is housewife. I am past 10th class. My favorite color is black. I like to play cricket and reading stories. I want to become an engineer.
I am from Dalud. I am 70 years old. I go to SK Computer and Education Main Bazar Mandal. My father's name is Labubhai. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Savita Ben. She is a housewife. My favorite color is black.